Hi, I'm Jim Reinhardt with WyreStorm here at E4 in Teaneck, New Jersey today. And we're showing and demonstrating our NetworkHD wizard. This is a setup wizard that's brand new. This is how you set up our AV over IP system, whether it's our 100 series, 500 series, or 600 series. This is a 7-step wizard assigning IP addresses, naming conventions, as well as video walls, multi-viewers, and setting up the control interface, whether that's our NetworkHD controller or if it's a third-party control system, such as drivers or plugins that are available to control NetworkHD. Simple step, maybe 2 to 3 minutes of configuration for the engineers on site, and unlimited to any number of endpoints for NetworkHD. All this is available on our website. That's WyreStorm with a Y, WyreStorm.com, and I'm Jim Reinhardt.